Hello friends, you are watching World of Science. In this video we will discuss 10 science experiments full of entertainment that will leave you speechless. We're diving into the intriguing world of scientific exploration, where we'll encounter invisible bottles, bouncing bubbles, and floating eggs. We'll witness the magic of sand and the incredible journey of walking water. Each experiment is not only a spectacle to behold but also a testament to the captivating power of science. Prepare yourself to be amazed by the wonders of science. First up we have the invisible bottle experiment. You may be wondering, how can something become invisible? Well, it's all about a phenomenon called refraction. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one substance to another. In this case, from the air into the glycerin and then into the glass of the bottle. When the light rays enter the glycerin, they slow down and bend. This bending effect continues as the light passes through the bottle and then back into the glycerin. The result? Our bottle seems to disappear. But here's the catch. The bottle and the glycerin must have the same refractive index. This means that light bends the same amount when it enters and exits both substances. If this condition is met, the bottle blends perfectly with the glycerin, making it appear invisible. Isn't it amazing how science can make things disappear right before our eyes? Next, we have the bouncing bubble experiment. Now, we all know bubbles, those little orbs of soap and water that float in the air and pop at the slightest touch. But what if I told you that with a little tweak we could make these bubbles less fragile and more fun? Let's delve a bit into the science of bubbles. A bubble is a thin film of soapy water filled with air. When you blow a bubble, the film expands outward. The forces between the soap and water molecules create surface tension, which tries to shrink the bubble. But the air inside pushes against this tension, keeping the bubble inflated until something disrupts the balance, causing it to pop. But here's where the magic happens. By adding glycerin to our bubble solution, we can create a bubble that doesn't pop easily. The glycerin makes the water and soap mixture more elastic and stronger. So, instead of popping, the bubble can actually bounce. So, who said bubbles are fragile and short-lived? With a little science, they can bounce and last longer. Now let's dive into the floating egg experiment. This fascinating demonstration is all about the scientific principle of buoyancy, which explains why objects float or sink in a liquid. When an egg is placed in a glass of ordinary tap water, it sinks right to the bottom. Why is that? Simply put, the egg is denser than the water. But here's where it gets interesting. If we dissolve a generous amount of salt in that same glass of water, the egg starts to float. What's happening here? The salt increases the density of the water, making it denser than the egg, and voila, our egg floats, demonstrating buoyancy in action. This experiment shows us that the density of a liquid can greatly influence whether an object sinks or floats. So while an egg will sink in tap water, it will float in salt water. So remember, not everything that sinks in water will sink in salt water. Now, let's move on to an experiment that involves magic sand. Have you ever seen sand that refuses to get wet? It might sound like a page from a fantasy novel, but it's actually a fascinating reality in the world of science. This sand, aptly named magic sand, is coated with a substance known as hydrophobic compound. Let's break that down. Hydro means water, and phobic means fear. So essentially this compound is afraid of water. When you pour water onto magic sand, it doesn't get wet. Instead, the hydrophobic coating on the sand repels the water, causing the sand to clump together and form a solid-like structure under the water. But once you take it out, it's dry as a bone. It's a surreal sight. Watching this sand defy the natural order of things, it's a fun and easy way to explore the properties of hydrophobic substances. So, the next time you're at the beach, don't forget your magic sand. Lastly, we present to you the walking water experiment. A fascinating spectacle. This experiment demonstrates the concept of capillary action. Now you might think, what's capillary action? Well, let's break it down. Capillary action is a phenomenon where liquid spontaneously rises in a narrow space, such as between the fibers of a paper towel, due to the intermolecular forces between the liquid and solid surrounding surfaces. So, in the walking water experiment, this action allows water to seemingly walk across pieces of paper towel from one glass to another. The water travels up and over the curves of the paper, defying gravity in its graceful journey. It's like the water has sprouted legs and decided to take a leisurely stroll. This experiment beautifully captures the essence of capillary action, making an abstract concept tangible and visually striking. Who knew water could walk, right? But with science, anything is possible. Well, friends, we've reached the end of our list of entertaining science experiments. What a journey it's been, right? We started off with the invisible bottle, a brilliant demonstration of refraction and how light can play tricks on our eyes. Then we moved on to the bouncing bubble, an experiment that truly showed us the magic of surface tension and elasticity. Next up, we had the floating egg, a simple yet powerful representation of buoyancy and density. And who could forget the magic sand? That was a fun exploration into hydrophobic substances and their interactions with water. Last but not least, we marveled at the walking water, an experiment that brought the concept of capillary action to life. Each of these experiments is not just full of entertainment, but also packed with fascinating science. They allow us to see and understand the world in a different light, to appreciate the invisible forces at work around us. They remind us that science is not just about complex equations and theories, but it's also about curiosity, discovery, and fun. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and spread the love for science. If you have any suggestions for our next video, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Until next time, keep exploring the world of science.